overall, I felt the classes are going good, Manan.
What you to understand here is look at progress. All right, look at
Okay.
where you start from and where have you reached at the end of the week.
Mhm.
And if you know that you've made progress, then obviously you need to double down the effort because you can't improve on RC in just 1 week. Till the time you know it hasn't become a second nature, which is purely a function of practice, you
Okay.
can't force yourself to get good at timing. That study plan video is something that we usually share with students after the classes get over. But I would
Mhm.
want to see it right now so that you have a perspective in terms of how the entire content is organized. That will
Okay.
help you to make sure that you're focusing on the right things and understand which phase of preparation you're in.
One of the positives I can say is like previously I used to struggle with identifying the tone of the passage. I always had the confusion, like wherein what's the author's opinion, what is his perspective. In this week, I was able to understand what nature of the RC is.
It is not like a formula that you can memorize and then you can get 100% accuracy the very next day, right? It is
Mhm.
more about, as I said, like cultivating a way to think, maintaining a positive outlook, like having
Mhm.
a good frame of mind, having a growth mindset, which is that if you put in the effort in the right direction, you know you will improve. One more week or 2 more weeks than other people take, so what? The
Mhm.
objective here is that you have to be able to get the score and you have to follow the process. Be patient, don't rush into it, and spend whatever time is required for you to be able to get down to the bottom of the passage. So don't overcomplicate
Okay.
it, keep it very, very simple.